That's so cool, Connor. Show me how you made it. What'd you make it with? Ha 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 ha.
I did.
Those things work in the winter too, huh?
Okay.
Ha ha.
Hey, kick it into the snow.
Oh, that's a good idea. I see. Ha. It might work even better if you just like you put the sand in it, you pack the snow in it really tight.
I tried that, but it didn't work.
Okay, well, let's see. That's pretty clever. Aw, needed more snow packed in. That's all right.
Well, pretty much.
And Troy's working on his bobsled track.
Failure of a bobsled.
Huh?
Failure.
Failure of a bobsled? It's getting better. He's trying to keep it from running into the tree. Because unfortunately, every run has gone into the tree. Except for this one. That run didn't go in the tree. Looks like you got a good track now. Oh, that's looking good.
Mommy, now where's the snow castle?
I don't know. It's hard to see. And it'll probably get covered up by more snow really soon. Ah!